Kia Itynnad, Iwei ya Iwei, Tangba, Kumno ya ong. Hatu, kasyadjaya pi kumta, alingin ya pej kalong kumno. Kane kadai kapat kapasan phuwei bangapan mi, tidak dapat kuat ban pej ya kiwei kipat lini ke Nonghikai ke basyadin ngalabo ya kaling haka description. Hey John, that girl is looking at me all the time. Hey John, that girl is looking at me all the time. Khasi. Hey John, katay kakantay kapay changa man kapor. Maybe she fell in love with you. Maybe she fell in love with you. Yo let's say kasyok jing ipi. I don't know, but I'm in love with her. I don't know, but I'm in love with her. Ngam tim Tangba ngasyok jing yaka. But I don't think so. But I don't think so. Tangba ngam taray kan longgumta. Hey Rose, that guy is looking at me. Hey Rose, that guy is looking at me. Hey Rose, utay ubriw upay changa. Who is that guy? Who is that guy? Manu uta ubriw? You remember? I told you last night. You remember? I told you last night. Pikan mau, banga ong yepi menin mit. Oh yes, maybe he fell in love with you. Oh yes, maybe he fell in love with you. Oh haoy, yo let's say, usyo jing yepi. But I don't think so. But I don't think so. Tangba ngam taray kan longkumta. Does not mean that when he looked at me, he likes me. Does not mean that when he looked at me, he likes me. Kamut ba haba upay changa u Itynnad yanga. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Ngam tim kumno banle. I have to talk to her. I have to talk to her. Ngahab ban kren yaka. Maybe she don't like me. Maybe she don't like me. Yo let's say kam Itynnad yanga. I have to think. I have to think. Ngahab ban perkat ba. If I propose her, maybe she rejected me. If I propose her, maybe she rejected me. Lada nga phah kylli yaka. Yo let's say kakentad yanga. But it's my duty. I have to express my feelings. But it's my duty. I have to express my feelings. Tangba, kadai ka kamram jonga, ngahap ban penpau, ya ka jingsngeu jonga. If he fell in love with me, if he fell in love with me, lada usyok jingiakren yanga. He should talk first. He should talk first. Uladai pan kren chua mau. How come I will talk first? How come I will talk first? Kumno ngan kren chua manga. I want to express my feelings, but I can't. I want to express my feelings, but I can't. Ngakwa ban penpau, ya ka jingsngeu jonga. Tangba ngamla. I don't know how to say. I don't know how to say. Ngam tipsyo, kumno ngan ong. If I don't talk to her, if I don't talk to her, lada ngam kren ka. Maybe someone will talk to her. Maybe someone will talk to her. Yo let's say kiwei jingiakren ka. I have to talk to her. I have to talk to her. Ngahap ban kren ka. Hope she will accept my proposal. Hope she will accept my proposal. Kermen kan sepediang ya ka jingterwa jonga. Hope he will express his feelings. Hope he will express his feelings. Kermen un sa penpau ya ka jingsngeu jong.